Hi guys, so today I am in Oslo and we're going to do a quick tour around. This is going to be more some highlights of what you can do in the day, and give you some ideas, and hopefully you enjoy. So let's go have a look and let's go outside from the snow and the cold. So this is quite a cool area we went to last night, and this is Grand Blanc there where we saw the music, which I'll show you a clip in a second. Even when you walk over a bridge, it's got fun little art pieces. For example, what looks like a swan at a glance. And then, if you focus, you can see it's not quite a swan. And that's a graffiti area as well around it. And these buildings, which are really kind of cool and beautiful, as you can see here. We sculpture bits on the wall, and we're going to go up to go to a gallery. We ate in here yesterday, which was an Ethiopian restaurant, and it was really lovely. Different experience for me, really massive plates of food, and also you eat with your hands, and I've never done that before, and I actually didn't mind. It was fun. This is, if anyone from my viewers is from Oslo and knows what these are, please can you drop a message in the comments, because I'm extremely fascinated what the purpose of this is. It looks like it's to cover electricity or something, but it's just so uniquely pretty. It's like a bit like a green TARDIS. And that's the street. So we've just been over a road to there, where is apparently one of the oldest art stores. I walked up because I saw this flag and some graffiti, and you can see going along here, and I just thought it looked really cool. And then I came across this, which is really cool. And then I can also see this sign here, which... So it looks like we're in an arty kind of cool area. And along here we have the palace walking through this really pretty park. Really beautiful viewpoint from here as well. And here is the Nobel Peace Centre, and here's a museum, and this is what it looks like, and it's like docklands, and pretty pretty still. Not sure about the music playing. Some really nice phrases on the wall outside by the Peace Prize place. Nelson Mandela, the last one was Dalai Lama, sorry. The next one is Martin Luther King. Then we've got Alfred Nobel. And then this says Malala Yousafzai. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, so that's why I put it there. And Without Facts You Can Have Truth by Maria Ressa. Just by the Peace Museum, you go here and literally you've got this beautiful view. It's just really nice to walk around this bit. I would recommend, if you're going, don't go on a Monday to a lot of these places because they are closed. That is the big tip. Apart from that, yeah, really nice to walk around. So, it's a little step here, and if you press the step, the bell actually just rings, but let me do it myself. And it's connected to this line. It goes down here into there. That's quite fun, and it is the city bell, a little bit of tower history from 1949. And then also overlooking there, you've got this kind of scuba diver metallic piece that I'm going to have a look to see what that is down below, because that's a different artist I can just see down there. This is the artist here. This on the edge overlooking there. Very. I can't go any closer because I'm too scared of falling in the edge of the water, which is probably not even deep, but I'm still terrified anyway. So this is the fortress, and what I didn't realise, I thought it'd just be a touristy bit, but it's actually got real military stuff there, so that's really cool to know, and it's really pretty just around, apart from ignore the building stuff there, but otherwise it's pretty. Here, there is this like horse paddock where's in here as well. There's more down there. Fan of horses. This is. Hi guys, I've been up since 4. I'm just looking out the view here. I'm about to leave Oslo. I've really enjoyed it. I've seen Munch. I've seen Jackson Pollock, which was a surprise. I've seen Rothko and so many other artists. I've heard new bands, I've been to good places, I've met lovely people and ate lovely food. And it was for a little weekend breakaway. It was perfect, and I recommend definitely going here. Even though yes it's cold, I feel like it's worth it. It makes it part of it. But yeah, hope you like the video, hope you like the things I showed you that you can do. It's just some of many. There's much more you can even do. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I will be doing more videos. Bye.